Padlock. She is an Instagram model, social influencer, content creator, and TikTok star. Eva came into the limelight after hot and bold pictures went on social media. She was born on 13th of May 1984 in Barcelona, Spain. As of 2020 past, she is 37 years old. The model has a huge following of Eva lovers on social media. On Instagram, she has more than 1.9 million active followers. She did interior designs and Escola Massona in Barcelona. She has an account on TikTok, where she posts her lessons, acting and reacting videos. Eva is a brand ambassador of Fashion Nova. She modeled for several fashion and bikini brands including Fashion Nova and others. She also promotes fashion and beauty products on her social media account. She fashion model is also known for her nickname Monster Girl. She is a hot, beautiful and amazing personality. She is single. Eva is a fitness freak and keeps her body fit and healthy. She approximates 5 feet 6 inches tall and her body weight is around 58 kilograms. Her hair color and eyes color are black. Her zodiac sign is Taurus. She is an avid pet lover. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest update.